Alright, this is my Scag. I don't remember what model year this son of a gun is. Either way, Scag. And it's got the little 1.1 cat diesel 3-cylinder. For anyone else out there that does have one, it's STT28 cat is the model. So, 72-inch cut cat diesel. Now, the parts manuals, there's certain things you can get without having the cat information and just go through the Scag. But when it comes to engine parts, I'm sure, sure some of y'all have figured it out by now. If you haven't, if you do have one, either way, like the simple thing, the fuel filter, that canister fuel filter. When I first bought this mower, about a year and a half ago ish, I couldn't figure out. So the original fuel pump is those little, the circle ones that sit, in the cone bracket here, and they're just straight in line electric pulse pumps. Well, that died, so I went to service the thing and tried to fix the fuel filter. Well, it had started leaking when I put it back together, so I said, screw it. So I bypassed it and just went straight from the tank to a fuel pump, and then had a filter, this filter in line between the fuel pump and the injection pump. Well, just over the years of using it, over the duration of using it, it stopped up. So I believe to be honest, I think I used the gasoline filter in the diesel system, but that's irrelevant. Now, so don't do that. If you ever have pumps out of your if you ever have issues with this thing getting fuel delivery, 9 times out of 10, actually 10 times out of 10, it's this son of a gun right here. Because it goes from the tank, well, I take that back, it's 9.5 times out of 10, because there is a little strainer on the end of the suction port on the fuel tank, and you have to drain the fuel tank and pop it out of the grommet that's on the back of the tank to get to that screen. So initially, yes, that was clogged up, so I ended up destroying it trying to clean it, because I'm just that destructive. No, I'm just kidding. No, I ended up messing it up, so I didn't put it back in it because it was going to be restricted as crap. So right now it's just open port from the fuel tank to this canister filter. The part number of this filter, because Caterpillar's filter does not cross in today's catalogs of any filter brand. It does not cross. So this Napa filter is 3166. That filter is designed a little bit different than this one. This one, I don't know where whoever had this motor before me got this, because I bought the motor from a dealer used. But this filter has no numbers on it, and it is plugged with algae in the bottom. So that was one of the reasons why I had fuel delivery issues, and I bypassed it. But I got a new inline pump. There it is. Yeah, so this is a Purolator PosiFlow. There's the number, FEP06SV, and I did purchase it at a Napa Auto Parts. So that's just the old fuel filter that's in there. It's trash. Oh, that's trash. This is the old fuel pump. This is what I call an Amazon special. Yes, I did buy it from Amazon. That's the part number. Like I said, be honest, I don't know what killed it. I really think just poor filtration. But I got it pretty much set back up how the factory wanted it, so. So I got like I said, I got everything plumbed up. I gotta get another fan shroud for the hydraulic motor there, but nothing's impinging on it, so it should be good. Everything's wired up. I know this looks butchered, but I have to do it. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Need to put a little bit of oil in it while I'm at it. Cool, it's good. Yeah, I hadn't changed the oil in it since I had it either. So, that's the next thing on the list. But I will be completing that soon. So, I just noticed she's starting to burn just a little bit of oil. Be nice to know what these marks mean. Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's almost a coat though. And I think, from what I remember reading, these are 5-quart engines. So, on that. Turn the pump on. Still on. Yeah, it's on. Okay. Turn the pump on. You can tell when it's dry. Let that run for a minute. Call it good. This thing does love its glow plugs. It does. And it seems like every bearing on the back of the engine rattles, but all the bearings are good. It's just a bracket I need to do some mending to. Sweet. That's it. I gotta pump some slime in that tire. Brand new dang tire. And the inside on the sidewall has a little slow leak. Yeah. What do you do? Anyway, let's see. I'll keep you up to date. Well, I guess I can keep this on the channel. My shenanigans around the house. The other project is that brown F-150 right there. That is my Cummins Swap 4BT, which is, I do have some series of videos on my channel about that. It is actually now, I know some of you have subscribed to me just for that, but it does have tag and insurance, and I have driven it back and forth to work a time or two. And it is a successful diesel swap. So it is a 4BT Cummins F-150. It did have the 300 straight 6 in it, but now it's a diesel. So, alright. like and subscribe. I'll try to keep them coming. Bye now.